Hey neighbors. You wanted hauls? Well, here you go. Your girl been doing a little shopping. Not too much, but a little bit to get ready for the rest of this year. Especially next month, because I told y'all I was going to be bringing y'all some new content, different content. So, to do new stuff, you need to buy some stuff, right? I know. I got my purple wrap on. Y'all know I've been wearing my natural hair for the last 2 weeks. Yeah. And I use gel to keep my hair down. So sometimes you have to give your hair a break. So earlier today was wash day. Y'all know us women, how long it takes us to wash our hair, to do something with our head. So therefore it's cold outside, so I'm wrapped up. Okay, your girl can't afford to get sick. Okay, everybody don't have health insurance. And I'm just not talking about me, I mean people, period, okay? It's just hard out here for the people in the world, okay? So, I have a little haul. It's not gonna be a big haul because y'all know I try to do my best to buy nothing. I try to do my best to buy only things that I need, okay? And preferably it's things that I need and not want. If you don't know the difference between your wants and your needs, you're gonna be in trouble because you're just gonna be buying up everything. So I got 2 things that I needed and 1 thing that was a want because it was on sale and your girl couldn't pass it up. So it is what it is. So first things first, how was your day? I hope it was good. I hope it was prosperous. I hope you did your thug thizzle and everything went well. So, first things first. The only thing I went to ALDI's to go pick up that I saw in their little sales paper was this handheld fabric steamer. It come with 3 pieces, a lint brush thing, and another brush head with some bristles. It says it's 100% chemical free, of course, because you're only using water. But if you have hard water that comes out of your sink, you might want to use bottled water in here so you don't mess up the mechanics in this machine. It holds 8.8 ounces of water in its water tank. It's from Easy Home Laundry. And yeah, I got this from ALDI's. It just have 2 heads. Don't give me a line. It have 2 heads. They got a 3-year warranty, as you can see. And that's what it looked like. Hopefully you can see all that good stuff. You can see the little water container here. Yeah, here. And then the 2 extensions. The pieces, the 2 pieces here. And I don't know what's over here. Oh, the button. So yeah, if y'all don't know why I got this because, as I told y'all, I set up my studio. The last thing I need to put up is my backdrop. And the only reason why I haven't did that is because I got a big recliner chair that I need to get rid of. So I'm trying to sell it on Let Go. Because I done had it for a long time, and I have turned my living room into my studio. So I'm trying to make room, so I have room to do mukbangs, exercise videos, dance offs, whatever I plan to do. Okay, I need some room. So I'm getting rid of this chair, and I have the backdrops, the 2 poles to hang up, the curtains. Lord have mercy. It's been a long day. I just came from Bible study. It was lit. I had a good time. We be getting our fellowship on, do you? So I got this to get the wrinkles out, because the backdrops come folded. So when you unfold them, they have the creases of the lines where they were folded. And even if you take it to the dry cleaner and they get it straight, they still fold it up to give it to you. So it just be less wrinkly. So I just got this, and I'm just going to work out the wrinkles myself. So voila. Item number 1. I took a long time to do that. I'm sorry, y'all. I be trying to give y'all the deets, okay? The details. Now, if you have kids and they pack their lunch to go to school, or you got a big baby for a husband and he be wanting snacks, okay, whichever one. Or maybe it's you. Maybe you the snacker. I don't know. I'm just saying. I was at the register. They always get us at the register, don't they? I was at the register and I saw these Black Forest, so juicy, so good, fruity dudes. Is that the name of them? Made with real fruit juice, tropical fusion, liquid filled center, fruit snacks. That's all they get. Why they just can't say, oh, fruit flavored snack? Anyway, snacks. So they have mango with the peach juice on the inside. They have cherry with lime juice on the inside. Pineapple with watermelon juice on the inside. And apple with pear juice. This mango and peach and this apple and pear are my favorite. And it's a 22.4 ounce box. So it come with 28 little packages like this. And this is perfect for you to put 1 or 2 of these little packs in your kid lunchbox. It come with 6 snacks in it. Let's pop it open so you can see what they look like. This is the mango and peach. Open up, pop, which is good. Just the little apple one. Don't you bite my finger off, okay? The apple and pear. Which is good. Really good. Just the little pineapple, the little cute pineapple with the watermelon in the middle. And this is the little cherry with the lime in the middle. I just had 4 and it got 2 more of the apple ones in here. But that's what the fruit snacks look like. And that's what they taste like. Okay? You will love them. Your kids will love them. Your boo thing will love them. Whoever up in your house going in your pantry eating your snacks, they gonna love it. Okay? Now, this big box of fruit snacks, which comes with 28 of these, guess how much they were? Guess how much? And this box is heavy. Have you guessed? Put it down below. I said it. We gonna play the price game. We gonna play the price. Oh, that's juicy. Anyway, we gonna play Price is Right. Okay. Price is Right. Y'all know we loved us some Price is Right when we was little. So I wish I could give y'all a prize. I don't know. I'm gonna do it. I'm crazy. I don't know what's going on with me. Whoever gets the right price. Well, dang, how I'm gonna do that? How would I do that? Because if I tell you the price, I won't see your answer till later. Okay. I'm gonna learn how to work that out. We're gonna play the Price is Right game later. Because I have to find a way to work it out. Because I tell you the price in the video. And if I don't tell you the price and give everybody a couple of days to put their answer down below, all the person have to do is go to ALDI's and go see how much they is. Anyway. Scratch it. Scratch the dang game. But anyway, these fruit snacks with the liquid fill center, it was only $3.99 for this big box. 28 packets. So do you know you can put 2 of these in your baby lunchbox for 2 whole weeks. So you only need to buy 2 boxes of these for the whole month. I'm just saying. I don't got kids, but if I did, they'll be good on fruit snacks, okay? They'll have what they need for lunchtime. So, that was the second item. Was the fruit snacks. Last item. Now, a lot of y'all been asking me, Missy, you been slipping on your pimping. Well, you watch me melt videos, and I know I didn't fell off. Just bloop down into the water, swimming around, having a good time in the land of deliciousness. Okay, but I'm coming back to reality, and I'm gonna get back on my watch me melt videos and my workout videos. And if y'all are my ride or dies, I told y'all that my other scale, I think it was on this last leg. I think it was tripping because I had to step on it 4 times. I had to step on that scale 4 times before it gave me the right weight, or the right weight I was comfortable with. So therefore, you already know. Your girl went and got her a Pro Style scale. A body fat scale. And I think it's Vase. Pro Style body fat scale measures body fat, muscles, muscle mass, and water content. I drink a lot of water, so I might be full of water. What you think? Okay. Memory for up to 12 people. Dang, 12 people. They height, they age, and they gender. Look, this thing want to know too much dang information. I don't think a scale need to know all that, do it. And where 12 people gonna come from? But anyway, it's cute. It had white and black. Can y'all see it? And it says the ranges, the measuring ranges for the body fat. It's supposed to be from 3 to 50%, water content 25 to 75, muscle mass 25 to 75, and bone mass from 1 to 15%. And it says the max capacity for this scale is 400 pounds. I think the other scale I had was for 400 pounds too. But I think that scale was getting old. So, yeah. Memory of up to 12 people. A battery is included. And it got a 3-year warranty. That's what I love about ALDI's, because a lot of they items that they sell, not food items, but like if you buy stuff like household stuff or decorations for your house or stuff to go in your bathroom, stuff you need to build, like little dressers or little knick-knack stuff around the house, it usually have warranties on it for a long time. And all you gotta do is keep the receipt and you bring it back and they be giving you your money back and another product. I mean, it's great. All these got your girl winning. Okay, I'm winning. So I got this scale. So this is what I'm gonna be using to weigh myself on my up and coming videos. This scale was $14.99. $14.99, and like I say, it comes in black and in white. I wanted the black scale. Didn't quite go with my bathroom decorations or color or whatever. And my steamer was $14.99 too. So $14.99, $14.99, and I needed the both of these. This was a want, and this was $3.99. But I was like, if I tell my neighbors about this, a lot of y'all got kids. And I was like, lunchtime, okay, yeah. So that was for y'all, and this for me. But y'all might need a scale too. And if y'all do YouTube videos and your clothes have wrinkles in it, or it's certain material that can only be dry cleaned and you can't put it in a regular washing machine and it gets wrinkled, you can use this steamer. And steamers are good, so you can use them to clean too. It have steamers on the market to clean, but this is for fabric though. But that's neither here or there or anywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna let y'all go because that's all I got. Your girl only had 3 items, so I told you. You asked and you shall receive. So thank you so much for joining me for this ALDI's haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all know I'm long-winded. I talk a lot, but I just be trying to make sure I give you what you need, all the specs on everything, because if you go out there and spend your money, I want you to make sure you're going out there and getting exactly what you want and what you need for the right price. So hopefully I did that today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I love y'all. I'll see y'all later. So thank you for joining me, Miss C, in the place to be. Hey, and where that is, right here on Miss C's Corner. Hey, on Miss C's Corner, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I say like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon, neighbor. Bye.